In this video, I am going to teach you how to add captions to your video projects using Adobe Express. So the process is pretty simple, and the first thing that you need to do is to open Adobe Express in your device. And you can do that by using the link that I have in the description below. So then once you are in the Adobe Express homepage, what you need to do here is to go to the video section. So on the center part of your screen, you'll be able to see these different sections. You can go for you, social media, video, photo, and so on up to until the generative AI. Again, for now, we are going to this video section, and then on the bottom part of it, you should be able to see this caption video tool on the most right side part of your screen. So simply click onto that. But if you cannot locate this specific tool, what you can do is to go to the view all option right here, and then once you click onto that, this page will appear. So then basically you just search or locate for the same tool. So it is named caption video, so click on to that. Now once you have done that, this page again will appear. So it says drag and drop a video or browse it. So I'm just going to do that. So I'm going with the video file right here. And by the way, you can only upload a file that can be up to 100 gigs, or it should be under 5 minutes in duration. So now again, once you have uploaded your video or selected your video, you just need to wait for it to be completely uploaded in the Adobe Express. Now, after uploading the media, this tool or Adobe Express will automatically generate captions for your video. So the process might take a while. So you just need to be patient with it and wait for at least up to 3 minutes or 3 to 5 minutes, depending on the duration of your video or the length of your video. And so after analyzing your video, it will have captions as you can see. And once you are on this process or on this part of the process, what you can do is to edit or make sure that there are no errors in the captions of your video. And you can do that. So for example, I'm going to this part of my video by using this slider right here, and I can see the captions on the right side part of my screen. So making sure that these words are correct, the spelling, and if anything is wrong in the captions. So I'm just going to go through the entirety of my video, and again just making sure everything's correct. And once you okay with that, you can even choose the style of your captions on this section of your screen. So you can go for basic, blocks, loud, and so on. And if you have a video like mine that the majority of your background or your video is white, then I suggest that you use this basic style, or use a style that your text has background for it to be easily read by your viewers. So there you go. Once you click on the style, it will be automatically applied to all of your captions, all of the captions of your video. So if you want to customize the colors, you can do so. You can select the color of the text. For example, I want this in black. And if you want to change the shape of the background, so for example, you want to change the color, you can go for more colors also if you want to. You have more options on this part and customize if you want to. And you can even use this dropper right here. And if you want to add shadow to your captions, you can also change the color of it on this part. Now, if you are satisfied with all of this or with your project, what you can do is to download your video directly from this, but you can also open the project in your editor if you want to do further edits. So that's basically it. That is how you can add captions to your video using Adobe Express. So then I hope this video helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.